Find out how cold it is. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
It's too cold for shorts, I know that.
I don't know how I ended up with the ghetto Siri. I thought I had the Valley Girl Siri. I got the ghetto Siri. Hey Siri, what is the temperature outside?
I thought I answered that question already.
Siri, don't get smart with me. Boy, the hawk is out there today. Y'all better wrap up. I'm on my way to Food Lion. I mean, depending on where you are, where's your location, what state you may live in, y'all may not have Food Lion. Y'all might have ShopRights, A&Ps, or Pathmarks. You might even have a Piggly Wiggly, but it's alright, you know what I'm saying? As long as you go to your grocery and get the items that you need to prepare your simple, easy, and amazing meals, it don't even matter. Alright, before we get started, I want you to smash that like button. Go ahead, do it now. And subscribe to Curtis Roundtree TV so you can enjoy some more of these videos. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, let's get started. As you can see, it has the barcode technology on it, as well as some t-shirts. That has the same thing. You got the barcode technology. So if you want to check that out, you know what I'm saying, you want to be a support to my channel, just leave a comment below. Let me know if you want a t-shirt or you want to get one of these cards, and I'll mail it to you. Now look, the t-shirt's gonna be a small price, you know, just a small donation for you, the upkeep of my channel, but you could get the card for free. We're going to pick up some dessert for the holiday. It's gonna be a simple and easy dessert, people. You know, somebody invite you to their home for Thanksgiving dinner, Christmas dinner, or Kwanzaa, whatever, you know, you call it. You wanna go empty-handed. Don't go to nobody's house empty-handed, people. You understand what I'm saying? Don't do it. It's a bad look for you. They invite you over and they get ready to give you something to eat. They're gonna feed you. You bring something. Thanksgiving Day is special for a lot of people because you got that day off and you want to take advantage of it. Not so much because it's a holiday, because we all know about Columbus and the Pilgrims and, you know, the American Indians and all that. You know that whole story. You know what I'm saying? About the Nina, the Pina, and the Santa Marias were supposed to be slave ships and they came over here. You know what I mean? There's just a whole lot of, you know, bad blood behind that. And then the lies and the deceit in the history books. So, but that's a whole different story. And I'm not going to get into that. Not only do I love to cook, I love to eat too. So, you know, when I prepare meals, man, I've got myself in mind as well. Even though, I cook for other people too, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I like to eat too. Everybody shop at the Food Lion. What you got there? Some free stuff? Oh, it's not?
Food banks.
Oh, okay. I do a little bit of volunteering myself sometimes. So do you take it to a certain location? How you do it?
On Mondays I go to Fountain. Tuesdays I go to Farmville Senior Citizen Building. Wednesday back to Fountain Senior Citizen Building. Thursday. It alternates between Fountain and Farmville, and some go to soup kitchen.
Alright, well, I love to volunteer. I got a YouTube channel that I do. And they got the barcode up there. You hold your phone up to it, it'll take you right to my channel. Okay. If you ever need any help passing it out, or, you know, you just want to talk about food.
I work, I volunteer my time at a local food bank and she pastor's wife runs a church that runs this. I don't go to the church, but the church that runs this.
Okay.
And they pass out of keep it local. When possible, and about once a month she picks up about 200-300 bags for the people who couldn't get at.
Oh, that's what's up, man.
So
I commend you. So, you know, God bless you for having others in your mind, you know, and, you know, keep up the good work, all right?
all right, sir. You have a good day.
You too. Okay, so that was Mr. Steve. Check this out right here. Let me show you something. I'm getting ready to learn you something like the old folks used to say. See this right here? I want y'all to try this. This is Old Bay hot sauce. If you never had it and put it on any of your seafood, please get this. You got to keep some Texas Pete. And my dad, today he said he wants some Italian hot dogs, so I like to use the spicy mustard. And with that spicy mustard, people, you got to get the French bread. I mean, you know, some people use Italian bread for Italian hot dogs, but I actually like the French bread better. You know, when it's the holidays, when you start seeing them butter balls out, check it out. They're $1.99 a pound. So if you're gonna get one, you better get one now. But them jokers gonna be in here like roaches, you hear me? Okay, for this dessert, we need to be on the cookie aisle. Because I need some Oreos and I need some chocolate pudding. So you get, that's chocolate fudge, snack pack. Put that in there. And then we gotta get some Oreos, people. And we're gonna make some layered pudding cups. We don't want the double stuffs. They got the thins. We just want your basic Oreo, which is right here. That's what we need. Now, we gotta go get some Ready Whip. I mean, you could use the other kind, but you know, it's easier if you just grab it so you can spray it right out. Is that how you do yours when you make yours, ma'am? You can use the Ready Whip, or you can use the kind in the tub. Where's the other one? Yeah, Cool Whip. Okay, thank you. The Ready Whip or the Cool Whip, either one will work. I got the red one. Let's see what this blue one. Oh, the blue one is extra creamy. And the red one is the original. So what y'all want to do? Y'all want to go extra creamy or y'all want to go original? We're going to go extra creamy. Might as well make it exciting. Said earlier, if you get invited to some type of holiday party, people, please don't go empty-handed. I'm gonna show you what you can make to bring something simple and easy. What you want to get is these crystal cups. You can get the short, wide ones. You can go with the large ones, or you can go with the smaller ones. Smaller ones might be better because you're not really giving out a whole lot of your pudding and making a whole lot of time. If you're trying to expedite time, you're gonna get the small ones. If you got some time that you can make this and you're gonna sit still and get it right, then you get these larger ones right here. I'm putting mine in glass. Okay, mine's gonna go in a glass cup, maybe a wine glass or some type of drinking cup. you know, to make it more exciting. Okay, last but not least, I need some sprinkles. I'm gonna go with the chocolate. All it takes is a small one. I don't need a real large one. And that completes our ingredients for our dessert. Now it's time to check out. What are you looking for? You want me to get them for you?
It's a manager with some dreads. He went that way.
You gonna give me something free? Okay, I get them for you. Hey, sir. You being paged in the front. Because she needs you. That lady, the little short lady. I mean, I'm short too, so I ain't trying to be, you know, funny or nothing. She said you was gonna pay for my stuff.
Oh,
There she go. Huh.
you funny.
Still been giving this woman a hard time.
And the $3. You said I get discount and $3?
I ain't said I had no.
Oh. You right, ma'am. I'm not gonna give her a hard time. Cause I like helping people. I tell you what, give my discount to this lady.
I already got one.
Oh, that's right, cause she got the MVP card. You know, I can't never remember mine. I got one too. I don't know where it's at.
It's a phone number.
Okay, yeah, I got that.
Well, I have trouble finding it. Bottom right here.
All right, well, let me load my stuff up.
$20 off your groceries. Every time you see her, $50. Oh, but you just got it, so you just spent like $74. Wonderful. Thank you. You're welcome. How you doing today?
I'm doing fine. I got this cooking show on YouTube, right?
Okay.
And I'm getting ready to make a layered pudding cup.
What is that?
If you tune into this channel, you will see.
Okay.
And I got some other stuff up there too. I gave you 2 of them.
Yup. I'll get
All right,
some.
give one to your friend.
All right.
The guy with the dreads. Oh yeah, she got one. I gave her one. I thought they recognized me. They ain't recognized me. Alright. You're gonna get a chance to see it.
This is why you put your grocery store trip.
Yes. So hello. Say hello, because you're gonna be up there. And don't y'all be skipping around on this video either. You better watch every bit of it. It's because I took my time to make it. I took y'all to Food Line with me. And I want y'all to enjoy what I enjoy. So cut it out. I always meet exciting and special professionals wherever I go. You know what I'm saying? Look, before I do anything, bam, you got to sanitize first. Because you don't know what those people got. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, so we are on our way back to the crib hills. And I'm gonna make this layered pudding cup, Oreo layered pudding cup with Oreos, ready whip, and I got some chocolate sprinkles. That's what's gonna make it exciting. You know what I'm saying? You know what I noticed about the holidays though? And this goes for Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. Some people don't cook as much as they used to. I think because the older you get, and like say you got kids and your kids, you know, they grow up, you know, and they have families of their own, it seems like they just cook for their family and, you know, maybe or may not invite you over to eat. But you know what keeps the family close is the meals that we're used to growing up. So, you know, and it's not about the celebration of Thanksgiving. It's not about the celebration of Christmas. You know, because people have made those days merchant days. And what I mean by that is it's all about selling something, you buying something. You know, like Black Friday and after Christmas sale, before Christmas sale, and you know everything is on sale on New Year's. You know what I'm saying? So it's really about you spending your money. I try to make my holidays about food and family. You know what I'm saying? Because some of my family live out of town and I don't get to see them, you know, like every day, other than texting and talking and social media. So you know, you use those days, those holidays, to take advantage of those holidays, and you get to see your family. And don't go to the party empty-handed. Don't go to the celebration empty-handed. Please do not go to the dinners empty-handed. Always bring something, even if it's something simple like a layered pudding cup. You know, trust me, somebody gonna enjoy this. They're gonna enjoy you taking your time out to make these layered pudding cups. Best believe it.